I'm sure that by now all of us are used to having our society quantified and described statistically. So many people in total, so many factory workers or whatever occupation, so many in each income category, statistics, numbers, flow charts. But when we think about the part of this information that people are living longer, there are more older people now, seniors represent an ever-increasing percentage of our population, it's important to be able to think in terms of the lifestyle and quality of lifestyle. Let's hear from a few of the people who appreciate what a wonderful resource a senior center would be. First is Carol Goodwin. She'd like to move her meals program from the Theller Center.
What would you say, or what is your program here officially called?
It's South Sound Seniors, and we meet at Belfair.
And is it basically based on a meal program?
Yes. Their Meals and Wheels are provided from our kitchen.
What would you say this puts into people's day?
Fellowship, a little exercise, getting out to talk to people. Quite a few, maybe 8 to 10 that come and play pinochle.
What do you get from this experience coming here?
I come here primarily for my socialization. I cannot go out with my lady friends to a bar or a social dance. I wouldn't feel comfortable at my age, which you know is 90. I feel here I can come, and there are other men, women my age, and you can talk because we have background lives with children, with husbands, with travel, that we could talk about.
To have a place where they can interact and socialize. I think you stay healthy. I think your mood is better, your thinking is better, you end up with a better outlook on life than being stuck in a house without sociability.
It makes me feel, and others in my field, like our hands are tied. If we want to give them a birthday cake or a birthday card, or make them feel that we care about them, that's not allowed by company policy. But a senior center and the community getting involved, those people can go somewhere and their birthdays can be celebrated. Others can celebrate with them their birthday. You feel disconnected.
So the center, the people who could be involved
In
would
the
make
center,
these events more special,
it would make them
a little more
way
personal.
more special, way more personal. A community center, a senior center can get involved with those people, filling the parts where medical care can't.
We are building a center which will enrich seniors' lives and enable them to remain living at home longer. Today we ask you for a donation and to help us make this dream become a reality sooner. Thank you very much for coming.